potentially escalating the situation. Instead, let the customer vent and express their frustrations. Once they've finished, respond with a calm, helpful tone with relaxed body language. Acknowledge their concerns and reassure them that you are there to assist. This approach can help de-escalate the situation and leave the customer feeling heard and valued. Remember, the key to exceptional communication lies in being open, actively listening, and always wearing a genuine smile. Try it out and watch how it transforms your customer's happiness. Pay attention to your posture, facial expressions, and hand gestures, as well as your customers. A genuine smile, open posture, and eye contact will show your customer you're happy to listen and help. If a customer is angry, resist the urge to mirror their frustration. Allow them to vent first, then acknowledge their concerns and reassure them that you are there to help. Always remain polite and respectful with a professional demeanor.